Geoprocessing is for everyone that uses a GIS. Whether you're a new or advanced user, geoprocessing is likely an essential part of your day-to-day work with ArcGIS. The fundamental purpose of geoprocessing is to provide tools and a framework for performing analysis and managing your geographic data. The modeling and analysis capabilities provided through geoprocessing is what makes GIS so powerful. Geoprocessing is based on a framework of data transformation. A typical geoprocessing tool performs an operation on an ArcGIS dataset, such as a feature class, raster, or table, and produces a new dataset as the result of the tool. Geoprocessing provides a large suite of tools for performing GIS tasks that range from simple buffers and polygon overlays to complex regression analysis and image classification. The kinds of tasks to be automated can be mundane, for example, to change data from one format to another, or the tasks can be quite complex, using a sequence of operations to model and analyze complex spatial relationships, like calculating optimum paths through a transportation network, predicting the path of wildfire, analyzing and finding patterns in crime locations, predicting which areas are prone to landslides, or even predicting flooding effects of a storm event. There are literally hundreds of tools at your disposal, and you can even create your own using Model Builder or Python. Geoprocessing tools are organized into toolboxes based on their function. To execute a tool, you must first find it. There are 4 ways to find a tool. The Geoprocessing menu found on the standard toolbar. You can search for a tool in the search window. You can browse for a tool in the catalog window, or browse for a tool in the Arc Toolbox window. Geoprocessing environment settings are additional parameters that affect a tool's result. They differ from normal tool parameters in that they don't appear on a tool's dialog box, with certain exceptions. Rather, they are values you set once using a separate dialog box and are interrogated and used by tools when they are run. Changing the environment settings is often a prerequisite to performing geoprocessing tasks. There are 4 workspace environments that can be used in geoprocessing tools to simplify data management. Current workspace. Tools that honor the current workspace environment setting use the workspace specified as the default location for geoprocessing tool inputs and outputs. Scratch. Tools that honor the Scratch workspace environment settings use the specified location as the default workspace for output datasets. The Scratch workspace is intended for output data you do not wish to maintain. The Scratch folder is the location of a folder that you can use to write file-based data such as shape files, text files, and layer files. It is a read-only environment that is managed by ArcGIS. The Scratch geodatabase is the location of a file geodatabase you can use to write temporary data. As we discuss geoprocessing automation and programming in the next lecture, you will see how programming is used to both create new tools and chain existing tools together to enhance the versatility of GIS.